Internos was formed 5 years ago. We sort of benefited in a way from distress 3 years ago by buying the GPT Halverton Pan-European Investment Management Platform, which we paid €2 for. We've got 80 people now in 5 geographies, managing about 2 billion of assets in 18 vehicles. We do 3 things basically: new funds, which Mr. Ryland here helps us with. So we've raised about 200 million of equity for hotels. That's a sort of core Northern European hotel strategy. But we're soon to also do an opportunistic sleeve for hotels. Secondly, we take over other people's funds, and we've done 6 of those deals. The ones that are public are 2 for Merchant Place in Germany, 2 for Invista. When Invista announced it was liquidating itself, we took over a listed trust, and we took over a portfolio for Kaupthing in France. And then the third thing we do is M&A, so trying to buy other managers and merging them into Internos. Where we've played in distress, we have 2 loans that we manage as part of our legacy, which have been bought in various loan deals. I don't think I can disclose what they are, but we have 2. So we have interfaced with loan buyers as a manager of those loans, not as an owner. And then secondly, we look at portfolios of distressed on behalf of typically American buyers. And I think a big theme that we can cover in the room is the emergence of Americans whose names you have never heard of, who are now over here looking at European distressed real estate loans and deals. Big wave.
Great, thank you, Jos. David.
Yes, a partner at SJ Berwin in funds and indirect real estate, and we've been actively involved in the last 3 or 4 years in debt-related issues, both recapitalisations and both on the buy side and sell side of loan portfolios and asset-specific issues, including discounted purchase options, the type that Mathieu was referring to, where effectively the borrower buys back the loan, sometimes from its own resources or in JV with other people. And those sort of deals have straddled not just the UK but Europe as well, where there are, as Mathieu was saying, some complications in enforcement which we can come on to later.
Great, thanks, Mathieu. Just to give only just in terms of the European side, I think it'd be interesting just to where you're
sure.
coming from.
I mean, I want to introduce Ernst Young with Big Four accountancy firm. I sit in the real estate corporate finance business. We do 4 things. We do M&A, we do fundraising, we do restructuring, and we do what we call non-performing loans, so helping clients buy and sell loans. Our geographical coverage is frankly as broad as you can think of, but my particular remit is UK and Ireland, and we obviously use the network for European opportunities.